Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect travel mirror, you have to check out this one from Auxmir. Now, this is the perfect tiny portable mirror for on the go. It's approximately the size of a book, really slim, and it slides into any bag you have so that you always have a mirror ready. What I love about it is it comes with its own built-in stand, so you just fold it open. You can adjust it however you want to whatever angle works for you. It also has 3 different light temperatures, so you have a cool, natural, and warm. To increase or decrease the brightness, you just hold down on the power button. It also has a built-in memory, so if you prefer a certain light setting, as soon as you open your mirror, it will revert back to that setting. This is rechargeable. It comes with a charging cable. You charge it up and you're good for hours. I love to slip this in my purse or my beach bag, anywhere you may need a little bit of a touch-up or a mirror on the go, a hotel room, whatever. This has you covered. I definitely think the quality is excellent. The size is absolutely perfect, and I think you'll be really happy with it too, and that's my point of view.